guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, I want to first off say hello, welcome. I am Nisha and I hope you are here for today's fall vibe. So like I said in my last video, I'm giving you guys 31 days of beauty for the month of October. So that means I am bringing you guys 31 different makeup tutorials using 31 different palettes. I cannot repeat a palette, so this is fun. This is going to give me the opportunity to try palettes that I haven't tried in my collection, and it's also going to allow me to revisit some of my fun and favorite palettes that I haven't visited in a while. So yay for that. So for today, I decided to go and visit Miss Church Girl palette. This is by Makeup by Yolando. I think I used this palette maybe once, so I definitely wanted to come back and revisit it because it's a very, very beautiful neutral tone palette. And when I seen this palette, I definitely was like, okay, this is a fall inspired type of palette because of the tones that's in here. So I thought this was perfect to start off a 31 days of beauty. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, it's going to be a full face slanger banger, then definitely go ahead and check the description box for time slots, just in case you want to skip through certain spots, which I definitely wouldn't recommend because you guys don't want to miss any of this beautifulness. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Okay, so let's get into this look. I already prepped and primed my eyes. Today we're going for a simple look, as you guys seen in the intro. So the reason why I chose this to be my first palette, because I was really wanted to do like a really like fall look, but a soft neutral look on top of that. So look at the shades in here. This is a beautiful neutral palette. Definitely wanted to come back, but we're sticking to the rule, one palette per day for the next 31 days, so I cannot repeat no palette. Okay, so I'm gonna jump right in and let's see, is this a neutral color? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. This is gonna be popped underneath the brow bone. It's a little too dark, but we're gonna stick to one palette, so I will make this work. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a pretty orangey brown shade. I'm just gonna pop this right in my crease. Alright, so I'm going to deepen up my crease now. So I'm gonna go in with this pretty burgundy shade. And I'm just gonna focus this more towards the outer part. Alright, so I like the crease that I got going on. I definitely want to keep these shades in here. And I thought it was like one more red tone in here, but I don't know, I guess I was blind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same dark color. I'm just going to put her on her lid. Yeah, I'm just going to put her on her lid. Or should I do the light? I'm going to start off with the first shade that I use, Faithful. Then go on top with Glory. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. I'm gonna do a little bit more Glory. And I'm just gonna repeat the steps in my crease just to make sure everything is blended out. What I wanna do off camera is apply a nice thick wing, pop on my lashes, and then we can come back and do a little bit of a face routine for today. So my lashes are popped on, and I have on I Am Princess, aka 1216 Company. All right, so I gotta do a nice coverage. I've been breaking out right here. I call these my period bumps because Flo's coming, and she like, hello, I'm about to come home. So that's what she's doing to my face. So I've been doing a lot better. I've been trying to control the rest of my breakouts that you guys seen in my last video. So it looks good, but I just got some really like deep bumps. It's like trying to come out. So like this wasn't even poppable or even scrubbable off. Like it's in my skin like deep. I forgot what those kind of bumps are called, but I have 3 of them over here. But the rest of the bumps that was on the surface of my face are gone. But we're gonna get this like an airbrush look today, so we're going heavy today. All right, so we're gonna start off with a moisturizer, and I'm going in with my matcha green tea moisturizer. I'm breaking out so badly over here on this side. It hurt for me to touch those bumps. They are super duper deep and humongous. I'm going in with my Hydro Grip Milk Primer. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer to figure out what the hell's going on. Usually I'll go with like a red concealer to cancel out the dark spots, but these ain't dark. They're bulky. And they just need more of a deeper coverage compared to what I would do for my whole face. So yes, see the breakouts? So I want to let this dry just a little bit. And okay, so I'm letting them dry up a little bit more. I'm just blending it out very lightly. So I want to take off that coverage. And then to set my face, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Cocoa Kisses. I'm just going to set the whole entire face. I'm gonna quickly give it a nice spray. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. And then for my foundation today, I'm going in with my Smashbox foundation. This helps with really good coverage, but it also helps with if you have a little bit of like oily skin or just sweat a lot. This helps with the resistance of sweating. So I really like this foundation, especially going to work. I need some good foundation underneath the mask. All right, gonna go in with my concealer. Gonna go in with L. I need a new one, it's almost out. I'm gonna mix a little bit of my Fenty because I'm almost out of my elf and it's not giving me my full coverage. Alright, I'm slowly gonna blend this out on my chin first. Before I finish setting the rest of my face, I'm going to go back into that palette, and I'm going to take Glory, which is that deep burgundy shade, and I'm just going to sweep this right on my bottom lash line. So I'm going to set the rest of my face, contour, and then come back for blush and cheeks. But for, y'all seen this step so many times, Beauty Baker for underneath the eyes, my Derma Blend mixed with Black Radiance for all over my face. And then my contour, I don't know what I'm going to use, but I'll come back and let you guys know what I use. I just want to quickly get ready for work before I won't end up being late. So we're going to move on to my lips. I'm going to go in with Scorpio. This is by Juvia. I'm going to give you guys that nice, deep, vampy lip. And then the lipstick I'm going to be using, this is actually going to be my first time using this one. It's called Sweet and Spicy, and it is by Live Glam. It's a really pretty, like, almost, it's pretty much red, burgundy tone of a lipstick. If you look glossy, I don't want her to be gloss. Well, let me do a swatch. No, she's a gloss, so change of plan. I don't want to do a gloss. This one's more of a more of a red. I think I was trying to look for. I was looking more of a like a wine purple color, but I'm rushing. I should have had this stuff picked out last night. So I'm hoping that this color works out for you, girl. Okay, it's giving me my dark lip vibes. So I'm going to move on to my blush. Definitely want to keep the face simple and soft. I'm going in with my Beauty Bakery blush. This one is called Freshly Baked. I'm just gonna pop that on the cheeks. This is like really bothering me, so we're gonna disguise this as a mauve for today. Little trick. Moles on top of these bumps because they really like bother me today, and just like over it, I'm just like, oh. So little trick on covering unwanted friends on your face. Although this look is really pretty and it's giving me fall vibes, I don't have Nisha vibes. Nisha needs her inner popper. I was trying to avoid that, but the more I'm looking at it, I'm like, nah, it's missing something. So I'm gonna go back into the palette and let's see what we got going on. I think I'm gonna go ahead with this color right here. Pop her right in the inner tear duct. See what she looks like. And this is not even showing up. I'm like, what is going on? Hold on, let me see if I can find my other inner popper brush because this is not giving me my life. Lash glue, y'all know my routine, my trick. Let's see if this makes it work. Because right now I'm not seeing anything. I just need a little bit of help. So, I don't think you guys can see so far away, but it was definitely needed. I feel like my eyes look too dark when I don't have anything popped in my inner. All right, so this completes the look. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, it's definitely giving me my fall vibes, and I'm here for it. I really like this lip too. It's really making this whole look like just come together, but that is it. And yes, I did pop on some fake mauves on my bumps because I just couldn't take it. Just cross my finger within like 3 days, like my skin will come back, go back being clear. But for the time being, this is what we got going on. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it's giving you your fall vibes. And of course, like I said, this is 31 Days of Beauty, so come back tomorrow to see another banger in a different palette. But thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.